Oh, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is going to be a tutorial on, for those of you on the TextNow free talking text plan. I got like a decent, cool tip and trick for you guys. And it might be a hack, it depends on how you look at it. So, no further ado, we're gonna get into this video. The application I want you guys to try out and download. You need Wi-Fi access for this to happen, or if you got another cellular service with limited data or some type of data, I want you guys to download this application called IFTTT. Okay, if you let me do it. This phone is a little dated. Okay, there you go. It's a little dated. So IFTTT. Fortunately, it's a U, but you know, guys, you know what I mean. All right, it's this application right here. Let's just go get a meaning behind it. Okay, so what type of application is this? All right, so let's just look that up. Okay, everything works better together. Connect your favorite apps, services, and devices to create new seamless experiences. Over 360 apps work with IFTTT, including Twitter, Telegram, Google Drive, Twitch, Weather Underground, Dropbox, Slack, and devices like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, iRobot, Lips, Philips Hue, and Android. All right, turn on connections. Control everything around you with your voice and Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Stay informed about what's happening from publications like the New York Times and ProPublica. Always stay prepared for the weather with custom daily forecast notifications. Message roommates when you're near the grocery store. Get an alert as soon as there's a new Craigslist listing that matches your what you search. Stay safe with automated and intelligent home security alerts. All right, so I think you guys get the picture of what this application can do for you, what it does, and what the partners are. As you can see, it's partnered with Sonos, YouTube, Google, Tumblr, Medium, Pocket, Square, you name it, okay? Amazon, Apple, you name it. So I think you guys get where I'm going with this, all right? But let's open up the application and see what it can do for you in TextNow. All right, so let's hit the Explorer app. Let's hit search. We're going to look for SMS. All right. Okay, so this is SMS things. Okay, so SMS works better with Twitter. So IFTT, you can say SMS to Twitter. Ask Alexa what's on your shopping list. Text me when motion is detected. Get a text when motion is detected. Receive a SMS when a device connects to your ASUS router. Get a text message when your battery is low. Text me when lightning is detected. Send me a SMS when an anti-theft alarm is triggered. So and so on. Get a text when the Department of State issues a new travel alert. All right, send SMS when an alert is generated. Get an SMS when a new item is added to your Alexa shopping list. Receive an SMS from Fox News when there is a breaking news alert. So now I think you guys get the picture of what IFTTT can do with SMS and text messaging and things of that sort. You will have to link your phone number, your TextNow number to IFTTT so you guys can keep your phone active. Your phone number active, meaning as long as you can keep battery life on your phone, on the phone that you use to TextNow for free with, you can keep alerts coming in and stuff like that. That's another way you can keep the phone number active and keep it for free. use IFTTT. I did another video about this like maybe months ago. I also did a blog about it. I will leave those links also in the description box. So let me know what your thoughts are about this application, IFTTT. And see, it says SMS forwarding. Here's another one. If you have more than one phone, this recipe can help you collect all SMS to email, which can be read anywhere. So there's another one to help you out, guys. Also, back up all SMS to Google Drive. This is another one that can help you out, ladies and gentlemen. Never lose a single message. Automatically back up all SMS to Google Drive. All right. Forward Android SMS to iPhone. I got 2 phones. What for the, All right. So for those of you that have Android phones and those of you that have iPhones, this is perfect for you. IFTTT. Okay. You link your phone, your TextNow number to all these. Here we go. So say SMS to Google Calendar, to Google Drive, to Telegram. Wow. So, and for Dingtone, for those on Dingtone, that's another way. This is another way to keep your phone number active, your phone number free. For those on Dingtone and TextNow, this is definitely, I recommend both customers and users to use this application, IFTTT. It practically works with any service, phone service, basically. All you have to do is find the ones that is, good for your use and your needs. So here we are. I mean, the list goes on, ladies and gentlemen. All you gotta do is type in SMS and you will get all of these recommendations, group me, anywhere, so click send SMS, Android SMS. So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you keep your Dingtone and your TextNow phone numbers active and for free. Link it to your IFTTT account. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know about this? Did you not? And were you aware? If not, like I said, drop the comments below. Your boy Two Phones get you the latest exclusives, tips and tricks. And if you want to call it hacks, I call it a modification. It's a modification for me. Modification for your cell phone number and your talking text. Okay? For free. And it's for free. All right, just go to the Google Play Store, download both apps or all 3, Dingtone, TextNow, IFTTT, and try it and see what it does for you. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm out.